we're South Carolinians, right?
I'm about to say
We're
you're
South
at a minute already.
Should we have Southern accents?
No, please. Because then you'd have to keep that every episode. Just normal.
Okay. What's up, folks? Welcome to our channel. We're the South Carolinians. We're here to review a snack crate that we got in the mail the other day. All the snacks are from the United Kingdom. Hopefully, they don't taste like bull. We got Michael, and we got Bob, and myself with Brad. And we're here to test some snacks. And we got some chips, some soda, some candy, and yeah. What do you want to do? You want to do sweets first, or you want to do salt first?
Let's do chips. I like to start off a little
Let's do a little
salty.
chippy. Let's do a little chippy. Okay, what you feeling? We got Worcester sauce, spicy chicken, and bacon flavored fries. Wouldn't they be called? Don't they call chips or fries chips?
Let's go with that.
Let's do that one.
Sounds like
wafer.
pork rind.
Yeah, it sounds like pork rind. And now we gotta do. Don't be skimping.
No, I ain't taking a whole chip.
Now, for y'all folks that might not know, Michael here is picky to the max. He probably won't even take a bite.
I'll take a very small bite.
You better.
Alright.
You ready?
And try.
Go. It tastes like.
Nope.
It tastes like
Some kind of
chemical bacon. It tastes like it'd be good for dog food.
I'll go with a no for the bacon.
Let's
Put this guy out. Next up, what we got?
let's go with Worcester sauce because we got chicken, let's do bacon. Let's spice it up with some Worcester sauce.
So Walker's.
Worcester sauce.
Oh my god!
That's strong. You like Worcester sauce?
No, I don't.
That's not bad.
I can't do this crap.
We're just starting.
That's good. I like that.
That was a good one. Okay. Now the Peri-Peri spicy chicken groove cut potato chips.
Like a Lay's.
You know what they like?
What?
Chicken flavored ramen
No, it
noodles.
smells like. It tastes like vomit. That's it.
Vomit? What have you been throwing up?
Tastes like vomit.
Tastes like ramen
Tastes
noodles.
like a ramen noodle. Like vomiting ramen.
Ramen noodles. Well, at least we got those out of the way.
Alright.
Next we got. Get it all out of here. Okay. What you feeling, Mike? I'll let you pick this one, Mike. Pick your
We can
poison.
do some millions.
Mmm.
The tiny, tasty, chewy sweets. Sour strawberry.
Ooh. They look like Dippin' Dots. They smell good. I'm just gonna dig in. Ooh.
The texture is like an old nerd.
Yeah, like
Chewy
sovereign.
nerd. Chewy, sour nerd. Yeah.
Tastes like bubblegum. No?
Dang, terrible.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
I can eat those.
But let's do caramel biscuits.
Ooh.
Chocolate,
Yeah, I know, it's stuck in my teeth.
dark chocolate coated caramel wafers.
Oh, that's probably pretty good. You like the strawberry one?
I don't like caramel.
Give Michael the smallest piece because he'll waste it. You gonna eat the whole thing?
Maybe a twist.
You gonna throw it all in your mouth?
No, I don't want to spit that much up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad, but not good. That's the same thing.
It's different.
It is
What
different.
just happened?
It's different.
It said it's different.
They say it's different.
Ah, milk chocolate. That was dark chocolate.
Ooh.
Ah, I got you.
I like dark chocolate.
I do like dark.
I'm a
More caramel.
dark chocolate man.
We'll do the same thing. This is going to be a milk chocolate version.
Nice cuts, Bob. You know your way around a knife.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ew.
A little bit better than the dark.
It mixes well.
Mm.
Oh, fudge.
What is that?
It's caramel log.
It's a caramel log.
What's that thing caramel?
There you go. Mmm. I'd buy that one.
I like almond joys
Mm.
on my almonds.
I'm good.
Are you nut man or just coconut man?
None of this stuff is good.
Let's get away from the chocolate and take a little bit of the Wham! Originals.
It's like fruit inside of it.
Oh, it's
Is
part
it
of
strawberry?
Yeah, no, it said original. Whatever that means.
No, but that's the sour crystals.
Oh, it's got sour crystals in it.
It's like strawberry.
Ooh.
Oh. Too much taffy.
Tastes like warm strawberry milk.
Ew. And it's sour.
That's sour. Been sitting out for too long.
That is sour.
It ain't good sour.
No.
That's a bad sour. That's a very bad sour. Let's do Wham jelly
Let's
beans.
do it.
Let's do some jelly beans. Cosmic jelly beans.
I'm glad we're doing this.
Why?
Real fun. Let's try each color.
I'll try yellow.
Try yellow first.
I get a brown.
Sour raspberry, cola, apple, and lemon.
Ooh, I got cola, I think.
Ooh. It's a little sour.
That cola weird. I feel like I'm eating one of
It's
those.
like a Skittle. It's a Skittle. Those aren't bad.
I'm trying to
Wow!
try a cola one.
Let's do this twirl.
Cadbury Twirl.
Ooh,
What?
that's weird.
What is that?
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
It's like a powder.
Yeah, it's like powder.
What the heck? They just fell apart. It's not bad tasting, but it's powder.
Maynards Bassetts.
Maynards Bassetts.
May contain milk.
They contain milk.
I mean, it might. We don't know.
Those cheap mints you get at dang restaurants.
You know, sometimes you
No
just
smell.
spill milk in a factory every now and then. Lands on the candy.
Oh shoot.
Oh wow.
You better chew. It's like a flavorless Starburst. Canterbury. Can't go wrong, Canterbury.
No.
Crunchy. Get that Friday feeling with the crunchy. Ooh, that honeycomb.
It looks like sort of a fiberglass center.
Oh, that stinks. That stinks. Candy shouldn't stink.
You didn't bite it.
I don't want to do this.
Come on. Whole thing in your mouth. There you go. Yeah.
No.
Yes. Ooh, get the double decker in there.
Oh, yeah.
No.
No.
No. That ain't about it.
Nope.
That ain't about that one.
That's right. Ew, that's hard to finish. What are these
Give
things?
me a napkin.
Are they even still in date?
Woo.
Give me a napkin, please.
Give this man a nap. Extra crispy Lion. That's all I got. And oh, it's got caramel cereal covered with milk chocolate.
Everything
favorite.
got caramel in it.
Oh, that's good.
Wow. I can hear it roar. Yeah, I would spit it out too. It's not that great.
Ooh.
Not good.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Ew!
Ew.
Ew!
An aftertaste though.
Yeah. Okay.
Bust them.
Fruit gums. That's what it is. Fruit gums. What is? Oh, it's a. Oh, they got a joke. What is it
Oh,
called?
what's the joke?
What is the oddest odd number of them all? Do y'all know?
That's odd.
I don't know. Where's the
I
answer?
mean, I'll tell you.
They don't put the answer on it?
I don't
I
know.
guess not.
They have multiple flavors. They're really hard though.
What the heck?
You know what these taste like? Those dots that no one wants.
Oh, it's stuck in my tooth.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's hard.
Well, if you guys out there know what
Oh, that's terrible.
is the odd number of them all, go ahead and comment down below.
And finally, orange tango. Wash all this down.
Well, hello. Ooh!
Just a shot.
That's all you need, boy.
Smells
Smells
almost
like
airborne.
airborne, yep. Fudge. Nope.
That ain't terrible.
Mm-hmm.
But it does taste like drinking airborne.
It's airborne.
Ow! Yeah, that's nasty. Well, that's our British snack crate. Get some stickers with it.
Where's he gonna go?
Come on, wherever it'll fit there.
Well, thanks for joining us on our delightful snack crate experience. As you can see, Michael really enjoyed it.
Yep. So,
Like and subscribe.
subscribe and
Leave a
comment.
comment.
And join us in about a month when we get another snack crate.
Snack crate.
Snack. Cheerio.
That'll have a lot of cuts in it.